Well, as you can see, I have a mess here. Here's all the gears and everything else that was out of that transmission. And all I did, here's the other case. I get my glove on. And here's the other case. That was off of the slant. So was that. Tail shaft. I just swapped everything over. All the internals over. Probably messed something up, but hey, I'm gonna give it a shot. Now, gotta get it back in the car. Oh, no. Ow, that's my knee. I left the dipstick tube off. Everybody's coming back to church. Well, when the boy comes back, he'll help me. But in the meantime, I'm on my own. I try to hold that up and get the jack underneath. It's not working out the best for me here. Maybe if I slide that back, that in. Okay. Don't fall off in it. I almost forgot how much fun this is. Not. Whoa. Okay, we're partially up. Let's center it in there a little bit. Okay. Okay, what am I hitting on? I gotta come forward with it. As it falls on me. There we go. A little bit. There we go. Right there. Let's shimmy it over here. There we go. Okay. Now back to the other side. Okay. Caught on something that's pushing the motor. There we go. Yeah. Yo. Oh, perfect timing with it. Come here. Get underneath. I'm going to have you upright the jack for me. Which is, no, I'll get underneath.
You get underneath.
You're just going to operate the jack for me.
Up and down.
Yep. Hey, where'd that bolt come from? I don't know. I'll put it there for now. Yeah. Go ahead, wizard. Yep. Hold it.
out here?
Huh?
This is what you've been dealing with out here? Or?
Yeah, for the most part. Well, it take a couple minutes, Lizard.
You told me you're good.
No.
No?
No. You'll only be out here for a couple minutes.
No.
So if you're good to stand out here for a few.
I am.
Alright.
As long as you're good with the meat waiting.
Yeah, it ain't going anywhere.
Bullet might take a grab off there. Just saying.
Well, we got heat on our side. Lizard, I need you to twist that handle real slow.
This handle?
Yeah.
Which way? This way?
Counterclockwise. You'll feel resistance.
Uh-huh.
And then go slow. It's going to take a good bit to get it to move.
I got it.
Okay, turn it back.
The other way?
Yep. Hurry. Quick.
Bit of resistance, Dad.
A little bit, Liz. A little bit.
Kind of hurts, Dad. Did I do it?
Huh?
Did I do it?
Yeah, we're working on it. Just hold on.
I don't know if
I lost my other wrench. Where the fuck's my other wrench? Out there. Trying to get some bolts in so it'll stay. Holding it back in and see what I messed up and that it won't work, and I gotta rip it back out and get another one anyway. Yeah.
That makes sense.
That's how I roll, is it? Whoa!
Doing that.
The wrench slipped off of my hand. Well, at this point in time here, I'm pretty sure my phone deletes recordings on me. Because it didn't record none of the other day where I ripped apart that 904, pulled the internals out, and put them inside this 904. And made a mixed match of parts and put the tranny back in. So, we'll see if this one takes, but I wanted to give you an update here. Don't mind my movement here. Kinked up my neck at work today, so kind of moving like a zombie, I guess. And you can see the case and stuff that I ripped apart. All the internals. If you're ever wondering what fails, the sprag will go out. And then your front drum, when it over revs, which is more of a 727 problem than a 904, that's what explodes. And cross our fingers, I hope this transmission will work. I'm sure I messed something up in it. The way my luck is, oh yeah, I messed it up.